Well, with each day that ticks by, we are getting closer and closer to the first day of fall and farther away from the first day of summer, which means the length of the daylight that we see is getting shorter and shorter each day, and it really picks up in August. You see northern plains losing 80 to 90 minutes of daylight from the 1st to the end of August. For us here in the Ohio Valley, it's about an hour that we're going to lose this month, and that continues all the way to the 31st. We continue to get those shorter and shorter days. And that, one of the reasons for that is the sunset times really are accelerating fast. Today it's 8:40, a week and a half from now it's 8:20, and so on and so forth, so that by the first day of fall, or near the first day of fall, it's around 7:37. And we are losing over 2 minutes now of day length every single day. Around the first day of summer, you lose a couple of seconds or so, but that slowly increases through the rest of July and really picks up in August and September to where we lose 2-3 minutes or more of day length every day. But when it is light outside, you can spend time outside. Rest of today and tomorrow as well, as pretty nice weather is on the way for this weekend. A nice mix of clouds and sunshine. Rest of the afternoon, warm and humid, so you still have to use common sense if you're headed outside. Drink the water, wear that light, loose-fitting clothing. Just scattered cumulus clouds around, filtering out the sun at times. Relatively quiet tonight. That cloudiness will quickly thin out once the sun sets. Waking up on our Sunday morning, we'll see temperatures upper to mid-60s, so no issues headed to the gym, headed to church services, maybe taking the family out to breakfast. And by Sunday afternoon, we're back into the 80s, and we kind of just redo this forecast all over again. Rest of this afternoon, you see those numbers pretty close to where we should be, just slightly above average, upper 80s to around 90. Upper 60s tonight. The temperatures will be a little bit warmer the further you get toward downtown Cincinnati, and cooler as you get closer toward the rural areas and the croplands. And then the extended forecast, we're quiet through Monday, but still above average by a handful of degrees. As a front gets closer to us next week, it will start to increase those chances. With that increase in atmospheric moisture, we increase the chances for afternoon and early evening pop-up showers and storms.